We're here at Poe Middle School today, and today is National Bike to School Day, and as you can see behind me, we had quite a few bikers. This is the first time that Poe has participated in Bike to School Day, and we had a great turnout.
For the first year, I'm extremely impressed with the turnout from the students. This is a great opportunity to support our curriculum, have them ride with a group of people in a group safely, to get a little bit exercise before school and have a little bit fun before the school day starts.
Poe is at one of the hilliest neighborhoods that I can think of, and so the kids had a real good workout before they came to school, and that's really the point of having safe routes to school, is getting kids out walking and biking to school so they have that exercise at the beginning of the day, and then it just helps us be more eco-friendly. We can have a greener commute to school, fewer cars maybe in kiss and ride, and fewer cars, parents dropping kids off. Just makes it all the better.